In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio in LibreOffice Impress. Let's get started by opening LibreOffice Impress. If you see the template chooser or a recent files list, go ahead and open your existing presentation or start with a new blank one. Once Impress is up, you're ready to place your audio exactly where you want it. Next, navigate to the specific slide where you want the audio to play. Click the thumbnail for that slide in the left sidebar so it's highlighted. Keep in mind that audio you insert here is linked to this slide, so it will be available when this slide appears during your presentation. This is a great way to add narration, sound effects, or background music for a single slide. Now, move to the menu bar at the top and choose Insert, then select Audio or Video. This opens the file browser so you can pick your audio. Impress supports common formats like MP3 and WAV, which are usually reliable choices. If you're deciding between files, pick the version with clear quality and an appropriate length for your slide. Browse to your audio file, select it, and click Open. After a moment, Impress will place the audio on your slide, and you'll see a small speaker icon appear. That icon represents the audio object. You can click and drag it to reposition it anywhere on the slide. If you want it out of the way, tuck it into a corner. If you want it visible for clarity, place it near relevant content. You can also resize the icon by dragging the handles, but resizing won't change the volume or length, just the on-slide appearance. At the bottom of the Impress window, look for the Media Playback toolbar. This is where you can preview and control your audio. Use Play to test the sound, Pause to stop temporarily, and enable Loop if you want the audio to repeat. Adjust the volume slider here while previewing to make sure it's comfortable for your audience. If you don't hear anything, double-check your system volume and confirm that the file plays correctly in another player. A quick tip: if you plan to move your presentation to another computer, keep the audio file in the same folder as your presentation and move them together. This helps avoid broken links in some setups. When you're happy with placement and playback, save your presentation. That's all it takes. You've successfully added audio to your slide using LibreOffice Impress.